Have a quick peek at the wallet activity here. This is all real, no tricks. Maybe you're wondering what it takes to earn even a fraction of that bag. Relax, I'll take you through each part so you can end this with a strong payout in your hands. Alright, we're about to get into the real steps, but let's be clear. Pump Fun isn't the move. That place is a mess. Every random person can launch a token for free, and it's pure chaos. Take this moment to choose the better path and earn something worth your time. Go into Photon, apply the Pump Fun Dex filter, and watch how meme coins are flying in one after another. Tokens such as Sadman and Charbaby show up constantly, but they fade fast. That's the result of an open system. Anyone can push coins out, and it's way too crowded. Looking at Radium now, you'll notice something right away. New tokens barely trickle in. Only a few have launched in the last couple minutes. Stack that against Pump Fun's flood, and the contrast is crazy. But the demand? Through the roof. Market caps on Radium are in a whole different league. Why's that? Radium forces you to know how to code, so all the sloppy launches get filtered out. This is the platform we're sticking with. Let me show you how it's done. Launch Tool came onto my radar randomly, and honestly, it might be the most underrated tool in this space. It's insane. No coding needed to launch on Radium, which means even first-timers can handle it. A couple clicks and you're ready. It's brought in weekly profits for me and still works flawlessly. I pulled a nice meme logo from Google earlier. It fits the theme perfectly. And yeah, like always, I went with something that's blowing up right now. If you're smart, you'll do a quick search and grab something viral or funny. It's a game changer when it comes to getting fast buys. That's what's worked best for me personally. So head to Canva, click to start a new design, set it to 128 by 128, tweak the small stuff if needed, and save. Quick and clean. Head straight into Launch Tool now and begin entering the token info. I'm calling mine Snarly, and the ticker will be SNARL. For the description, just put something funny. Mine says, Snarly likes to rug your hopes in one slither. Select your earlier logo and click on Next. Now you'll be taken to the tokenomics screen. You can leave everything as it is. It's set correctly. The reason is simple. That 1 billion token supply is going to be needed later. Click Next again, and you'll land on the Creator Info section. Before you do anything, this section will cost 0.1 Sol if you make a change. Not really worth it, if you ask me. I just disable it and hit Skip. After that, it lets you input your social media accounts. Feel free to add them, but I always leave that blank. Continue to the next part. We're now at a very sensitive step in the process. Serious heads up. These settings can break your coin if handled wrong. Confused about why? Turning off Revoke Freeze means you can instantly freeze all activity. Disabling Revoke Mint means you can continue minting tokens forever. Revoke Update being off gives you control to adjust all the project info anytime. When people see even one of those settings still live, they'll instantly lose interest. That's all it takes to lose buyer confidence and shut down your earning potential. Just leave those inputs alone and hit Launch My Token. Your connected wallet will appear almost instantly. Go ahead and approve the transaction like you always would. And just like that, your coin is launched. Take a moment to check your token data. I'm using SoulScan to confirm mine. There it is. It's been deployed successfully, but we've got one more task before trading goes live. Let's knock this out. Head back to Launch Tool and click Create Liquidity Pool. You'll be redirected right to Radium. First thing, make sure your wallet's connected. Then select your meme coin as the base. Open the token menu, grab your token address from Launch Tool, and drop it in the box just beneath the Select the Token label. Fill out the basic details, symbol is SNARL and the name is Snarly. Click Add User Token, then tap on it once more to finalize the selection. Type in 900 million tokens, which is what meme coins usually launch with out of a billion. Set Solana as the quote token. You're the one buying it first, so hitting max won't cost you anything. Don't forget to leave 0.2 Sol untouched. That's needed for Radium's setup fee, which they highlight in yellow. Select 2% for the fee tier. Once everything looks good, press Initialize Liquidity Pool. Approve when your wallet asks, and boom, the pool is created. Go to Photon, and our meme coin should show up right away. That's settled. Now let's go check out its chart performance. Navigate to dexscreener.com and click on any random project. Wait until the chart appears completely. After that, go back to Launch Tool, copy your coin's address, and paste it into the Dex Screener input box. Replace the current one with yours. Press enter. And there it is. Your tokens chart is now up. You'll see a few orders, but it's just early bot traffic. Ignore it for now. Let's chill for a second and wait for that order book to start showing activity. Meanwhile, open your Radium portfolio and keep an eye on it. Make sure you're using the standard view. You'll spot your open position pop in soon. It usually takes a few minutes to load in. As you can see, we've got a $12 buy order and a $14 sell order. And just like that, our first order showed up already. I'll scroll for you real quick so you can see it. It's a $39 order, which comes to around 0.23 sol. Still waiting here, want to see more come through. You might also notice some sells happening, but don't worry. That helps the volume, which gives the coin more appeal. And boom, the second buy just hit. 0.43 sol, which is $73 exactly. The numbers up here say it all. Liquidity sitting at $619 and market cap stands at $625. So far, we're crushing it, and I've got a good feeling those numbers will climb shortly. The best part? No promo needed whatsoever to make this work. You can recycle this approach as often as you like. I've said it before, but this is a crazy method. Oh hell, man. There's a shit ton of sells. As soon as the next order hits, I'll rug it fast. This isn't looking good at all. And guys, look what just happened. Third buy came in. Close to $105 or 0.62 sol. That's unreal. With all the sell activity showing up, I'm planning to rug right at this moment, as I'm very pleased. And of course, this is just for educational use. Results may vary for everyone watching. Alright guys, final stats check before I drain this coin for good. Liquidity stands at $675, market cap's at $736, and we paired it just 21 minutes ago, folks. Massive momentum in such a short time. I'm happy with that, so I'm pulling the plug now. Guys, I'm very sorry for delaying the rug method now. I just wanted to show you the last thing before rugging the shit out of this coin. I unfortunately haven't seen this order that was placed 17 minutes ago, but it's about a $30 buy, which is a nice addition to our entire pool, definitely. Go into Radium, connect your wallet, and choose the standard view. Hit the minus sign right here. Move the slider all the way to 100%. The Solana is what you're really collecting. Don't worry about the rest. Tap, remove liquidity, approve the transaction, and that confirmation message means everything went through. Your gains are officially secured. This is my favorite part. Open your Phantom wallet and enjoy the view. I dropped $230 and walked away with $110. Just so we're clear, I'm not affiliated with Launchtool, Photon, or Radium. Everything here is meant for education only. This method works for now, but who knows how long it'll last. If you're gonna do it, don't wait around too long.